what are the possible attack scenarios to perform cross-site scripting? There are a lot of scenarios depending upon the application's logic. However, some of the most common are classical CSRF, where like you are changing something like add to cart or delete something from cart, add some items, normally changing a profile information, say username or say a phone number or something, which is not used for authentication. So less sensitive data or a less sensitive action is whenever is being performed, I consider it to be a classical CSRF. A lot of times there is a possibility of accesses in the user profile section, which is basically a self accesses. But what if the first name field is vulnerable to CSRF attack as well? You can chain the accesses, self accesses to this particular CSRF attack on the first name field to leverage the stored accesses to the victim. Now the impact of P5 bug of self accesses or a lower severity issue now goes to high or medium depending upon the application. You can also perform an account takeover using CSRF. We will look at it in the case study. So a basic idea is that there might be an email field which you can change using CSRF. And if you are able to change an email field using CSRF, you can basically request a new password reset token to the attacker controlled email and further perform account takeover. Sometimes there are role definitions. So for example, you can try to forge a request and send it to the admin user to say that, hey, admin, make me admin as well. So sometimes the CSRF is also used for priv escalation. It can be used to fund transfer or parameter, like, you know, the financial things. So there might be an application which is having the option to transfer the funds utilizing the coupon codes or something like that. In this scenario also, you can abuse specifically the business functionality, the financial functionalities of the application. There might be some certain application logics depending upon the application. So for example, application allows you to mute somebody for a while. So you can basically craft a request to mute anybody from your account, the victim's account. So yeah, this way you can try to bypass the application's logic, specifically using CSRF. Auth misconfiguration might be there, where the attacker will basically send a request, and now to the application where the auth is configured, the attacker's Facebook, Gmail, or whatever auth account is will be attached. Now the victim will no longer will be able to access. The main authentication is now in the hand of the attacker. So there are a lot of requests like delete request, put request, patch request. So in these scenarios, or if the data is usually going in the JSON body, so in some scenarios it is hard to perform a CSRF attack. So JSON CSRF is again a kind of utilize the misconfigured flash policy, the cross-domain policies to basically encourage and basically to implement a JSON CSRF attack. JSON CSRF attack are like not seen widely these days, but still it's an attack vector and can be exploited.